In this short video, we want to teach you a couple of guidelines on how to work efficiently with commercial moving leads. When you receive your list, start filtering the leads by the number of employees, their move date, the type of industry they're in, or the proximity from your local office. All of this is to build personalized approaches and strategies for each lead. Since the leads are generated through an investigation, these companies don't know that we know about their upcoming move. So this is a key information to have when you build your strategy and your approach. In order to build a strong strategy, you need to be prepared. Gather some information from their company website, their LinkedIn profile. You can read some industry journals, some news, blogs, and if they were previous client or not, gather some of their history. Now that you have all of the information you need, time to build a strategy using cold call, emails, flyers, or in-person visit where you can drop a business card. Try mixing your approaches. As an example, if a company is moving only in 10 months, there's no need to do a cold call within the first week that you receive the list. Send a flyer, set up emails to go out a week or two later, and then do follow-ups another week or two later. Cold calling is a very aggressive approach, and it is often, if not always, used by moving company. If you're in a telecom, office furniture, janitor, or sign industry, try to opt for the email and flyers within the first week. When you do your cold calling, try to avoid telling them that you know about the upcoming move. They'll start asking you a question about how did you find out, who told you, instead of focusing on what you can offer and the need that they might have. This is not a good conversation starter, and it will put the receptionist on defense. You don't want that if you want to have a chance to reach a decision maker. Instead, try using an introduction approach, where you and the receptionist will work together to find out who is the best person within the company for you to talk to. Emails can be very efficient, and here's a few tips on how to write a good email. Keep it short. You got to see it as an elevator pitch where you have only 15-20 seconds in order to get the reader's attention. Second, select the right time of the day to send your email. Third, make it easy to read. Have a good grammar and make it look professional, but mostly do not repeat yourself. And fourth, remember that you're trying to have a conversation with someone. So make it personalized and use your own words. When sending a flyer, try to put your flyer into an envelope on which you will handwrite the person's name on it. This will increase the chances that your flyer will be read. Let's go over the few guidelines that we talked about when working with moving leads. Be prepared. Strategize properly. Do all of your follow-ups. Personalize your emails, your call, and all of your approaches. And be short and precise. If I can add something, never give up. Until their move is completed, never give up on them.